I installed a Lasfit Bedliner on my Duramax that has the fifth wheel option in the center. Let's see how well it held up. Alright guys, so as you can see, I use this Bedliner quite a bit, and if you can't tell, it is underneath there somewhere. Over the past few weeks, I've unloaded my garage, which held my other truck in it, all winter long, which had tools and stuff all over the place, including a jack that I put in the back of this thing. And you know, obviously those things would roll around, all kinds of stuff. And I even did some stuff in my backyard, cleaned some stuff out. I went camping, put stuff in the back of this truck. Anyway, this is the last load. I'm gonna take it to the car wash, I'm gonna clean it off, and then I'm gonna show you guys how well it's held up. I wanted you to see how dirty it is, just so you know how much I use it. It's been a great top. Fits very, very well on all the edges. The middle of my truck has the fifth wheel in it. I've even used this on top of that. And look how smooth it looks. I forgot to show you the fifth wheel. I wanna show you that real quick. But let me pop this open because I want to show you that fifth wheel real quick. So let me see if I can't pull this back without getting in the truck. So there you go. There's the brackets for the fifth wheel. So if you can see, I just have that laying on top. So true story, I had to have my tailgate painted on this 24 truck because whatever this is, the guy before me, somehow, I don't know what it is, but it's like brown orange stuff. And anyway, I can't get rid of it. I'm gonna have to try to find one of these plastic pieces they put on the tailgate to replace it. But if you know what it is, I'd love to know. Leave it in the comments. First off, keep in mind how well this thing's laid down, even though I got a fifth wheel in the middle. Check how easy this is. Realize how dirty this towel was. See how easy it just... Alright, so I just want to show you how clean this thing came up. You guys seen everything I was hauling to this bad boy, you'd be shocked. Got a few small little lines in here, but looked almost as good as new. Hopefully it comes out in video. Take a close look at how well it contours everything. I was at the car wash, had a couple guys stop me and says, "Man, where'd you get that liner at?" And the guy mentioned how he had a mat and it just popped up, water got underneath it and everything else. He says, "I got to get me one of those." Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, check out this video here. I will drop a link down below for everything in case you need more information or want to purchase one. Y'all have an awesome day. Thank you.